We have exciting news. Now as an EdFed member, you can pay your DCSAA dues automatically from your checking or savings account. The process is simple and seamless, and we'll show you how to get started. After clicking on Enroll Now within the enrollment email from EdFed, you will be redirected to DocuSign. Before proceeding, you need to agree to the electronic record and signature disclosure. Once you have checked the box, select Continue to begin your enrollment. You'll begin by filling out the authorization to transfer funds, which permits EdFed to transfer your union dues bi-weekly on paydays. When choosing your transfer amount, select the All Employees option. When completing the MDCPS job site and work location number fields, enter the school name and corresponding 4-digit work location number for where you work. For those that work at multiple sites, use the school name and work location number that is registered for your payroll. Next, you will complete the authorization for direct deposit. Indicate if you are enrolling in direct deposit or adjusting your payroll deduction to EdFed by selecting Yes or No from the dropdown. Please note that changes will take effect on or after the July 14, 2023 payroll. Select Yes if your current MDCPS payroll goes to another financial institution and you would like to have the full or partial amount deposited to EdFed, or if you currently have your MDCPS payroll deposited to EdFed and would like to modify the deposit amount. Select No if your current MDCPS payroll is deposited to your EdFed account and that deposit amount is sufficient to cover the transfer of your union dues. If you have selected No, proceed to sign the document to complete your enrollment. If you selected Yes, complete the payroll deduction portion of the form by specifying whether you would like a full or partial direct deposit to EdFed. When selecting Full Check, enter the name of the financial institution where your current MDCPS payroll is deposited. By doing so, you are providing authorization to discontinue your ACH direct deposit to the other financial institution. When selecting Partial Check, enter the total amount including union dues that you would like deposited into your EdFed account in whole dollars. For example, if you currently receive a partial direct deposit to EdFed of $200 that covers the exact amount of your car loan payment, and your union dues are approximately $50, you would enter $250 as your partial deposit amount to ensure the payment of both items. Great, you're all set. If you have any questions, email DCSAA@edfed.org.